You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is g equal or smaller than 54. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the r. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is g equal or smaller than 54.